Hello, and thank you for choosing Law Ruler. My name is Matthew Dufresne. Today we're going to go over how to rename roles inside of your Law Ruler portal. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is navigate to the left-hand side menu and go down to Setup. Once inside of the Setup screen, I'm going to go to the second column and go to Global Settings and Statuses. Once inside of Global Settings and Statuses, we can either scroll down manually or go to the right-hand menu and choose Other Global Settings. This is where we are going to rename all the roles in your system. We're going to go to User Roles Custom Labels. And as you can see here, these are the default fields for Law Ruler. If I wanted to change these, I would simply click on the role I would like to change and rename it to what matches my custom work area. Let's say my assignee in my firm is called New Role. I would rename it as New Role and then hit Save. That's going to go ahead and save and update any changes that you've made to your roles. That concludes how to rename roles inside of your Law Ruler portal. As always, thank you for choosing Law Ruler. If you have any support questions, we are always happy to help. You are welcome to contact us by email at any time via support@lawruler.com. You can also access our Law Ruler support forum at support.lawruler.com. For those of you who want to make changes to Law Ruler but don't have the time, let our expert staff do the work for you. We offer done-for-you consulting, a service that is billed hourly and available for your convenience. Please contact your account manager to learn more. Thank you again for your time, and from everyone here at the Law Ruler family, we hope you have an amazing day.